I know I'm wearing a Hawaiian shirt. As I've mentioned to a number of you, if you want to go from here to Hawaii really fast, what direction do you go? This is a Western shirt. Y'all. We're going to start here. This fella over here, this here outlaw, this is Matt McCormick. He is president of the Lewisville Area Chamber of Commerce, a long-time troublemaker around these parts. We might bend that spitting rule for this one here, just so you know.
I spit back.
Okay? Now this here, Shannon the Rat McGarry. We call her the Rat because she's with the chamber today, but she's going to be gone tomorrow. She's going over to Med Fusion, but she is going to be one of our judges as she moseys on out the door. So Shannon. And then we have Ira Terrell. Now Ira is a graduate of Roosevelt High School and a proud SMU Mustang. #1 draft pick of the Phoenix Suns in 1976. Third round, a lot higher than I've ever been picked, and I'm sure you're shocked by that. So anyway, we are glad to have all of you here, and we're going to make this a lot of fun. I'll mention that to y'all. Okay. We're going to go in order on the sheet. Who's telling me what I'm doing? Nobody. We're going in order of the sheet. And first one up I see is Lisa Cloud. Lisa. Let them just get a good look there, belt and buckle. That's not a buckle. I'm not sure if that counts as a bribe or not, but it is an enticement. I think Sharon taught me a training class about that, didn't you? All right, Lisa Cloud, Finance Department. Next up, I see Kevin Mims. Kevin? I'm seeing a very disturbing trend here. Got to nip that one in the bud.
Don't look, kid, don't look. Okay. All sides here. Just to tell you about it here, this is a limited edition commemorative Texas sesquicentennial. Try to say that 3 times fast. Belt buckle. This is official. Just to let you know.
In case you missed it, it's an official sesquicentennial commemorative belt buckle. State of Texas.
Texas.
Cleared up from the state of Texas. We're going to go to Nancy Davis. Human Resources. Nancy.
Twirl.
My glasses on. Lot of bling.
There's a lot I can say about that, isn't there? Not after that class you taught me. No. Chris Kemp. It says belt and buckle in absentia. So, Jesse's going to hold it up for Chris. Does he have to swirl in absentia too? Okay, there's a twirl in there. Got a big shiny belt there.
I see the buckle.
I still think my buckle's the biggest one, so I'm feeling real good about the judging.
Sad thing is,
He's not in the belt buckle.
he has no idea.
Okay, I'm going to beat Clifford. He's not really in the belt buckle.
Oh, here he comes. He's
Wait,
twirling.
he's coming.
I'm not going to compete with that. What is this?
This is the belt and belt buckle.
You have to twirl.
Oh, here we go. He's got it in the pocket.
Well, when you're going to wear it in public.
I think that thing weighs about 27 pounds. That'd slow down anybody.
It is your 1984 National Finals Rodeo Tested Edition belt.
1984 National Finals Rodeo Edition belt buckle. I didn't see any twirling.
Twirl.
And then Sabrina with complete interior. Sabrina, there we go. It's one to be from here.
This is a buckle.
I think mine's still bigger, not how much.
Good job. Tell us about the buckle. Southwest Rating Horses Association.
Yours?
Yes. Southwest Rating Horse Association.
I just don't want to fall. All right, outstanding. Thank you, Sabrina. Third place with 22 points, Nancy Davis, Human Resources. If they had never had points, she would have finished higher. National Finals Rodeo.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
And first place with 28 points, so a good little margin there. Sabrina with Complete Interior Solutions. Outstanding, congratulations to our winners.
Good job.
And we are going to move right on.